Bakuru b'amashomero otireho n'abashomesa bashaba okwehara kukopera abeegi ebibuuzo obwe baba nibakora ebibuuzo byabo eby'ekyamushanju. Ebi byashaba omureeberezi w'obureeberezi bwa Nkole Associate Professor Right Reverend Sheldon Mwesigwa aha mukoro gw'okusiima Mukama gw'ishomero rya Mbarara Municipal School. Mbarara Municipal School eriizooba yaneesiima Mukama ahabw'okukora gye mu bibuuzo eby'ekyamushanju ebyakozirwe omwaka ogw'2025.
And many were cut. And some teachers would quiz some kids, and children are children. Eventually they say, they start crying and they say the things, manya, manya, manya. So those teachers who cheat for kids, you're wasting your time. You go with your marks, even if it is not much, but you compete favorably.
Mu kubuurira kwe omu kusiima okwabo mu kanisa ya All Saints Mbarara, Bishop Sheldon Mwesigwa yayongera ashaba abakuru b'amashomero okurekeraho kweharana.
Nasa kulwanisa oshoti weyarabamu yabo wamaani konka obwire nibuhika ebyari kuba nakora byona bizari busha habwituma Matayo 5:8 beine omugisha abiine emitima eshemiire abo bari arebahanga abiine emitima ekozere ki eshemiire otarigera omutima mubi kwanga mugenzi wawe kugira ihari kugira ituma
Bishop Sheldon yashaba abeegi okureebuka ngu tubahwa amaani omu kushoma kwabo.
Of the class, never give up. That's a motto of one of the Gayaza High School. Never give up. Never give up. Mugumena man, keep with energy and strength. You see?
Nkwasibwa Wilbur mukuru w'ishomero rya Mbarara Municipal School yashobora ekigendererwa ky'okusiima okwakorwa erizooba.
Nanagambire my lord ngu twine okusiimira bingi ekyokubanza omu kitabo ekyoine ntusiima Ruhanga aha page 3 hariho enrollment habwa Mbarara Municipal School totaling to 4,016 children. Nyenda mu kiterero mu ngaro.
Kwasibwa Wilbur yayongera asiima amashomero agandi habw'okushagika Mbarara Municipal School omu ngeri etari emwe n'emwe.
Ninyenda okusiima fellow head teachers for supporting us, for working with us, kandi na munonga Mbarara Junior habw'okuba twine enkwatanisa hagati yitu y'ebizaamu nangwa n'okufa n'okuferwa n'amagenyi mbwenu nakyo kituyambire munonga. So Mr. Mugume Nathan nka elder kandi owunashangiremu, thank you very much for the support.
Omukoro gw'okusiima Ruhanga habw'okukora gye kw'ishomero gwakorerwa aha All Saints Church Mbarara kandi abeegi abebembezi n'abazaire ni bamwe habaika kushaba oku. Ahabwa Tayari Weston, Susan alina omukisa omuri Mbarara.